Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna tell you about identifiers and its rules in Java. So basically, identifiers are the name of something that appears in a program, such as variables, constants, functions, and classes. There are some rules for identifiers in Java, and Java is a very case sensitive language because capital N and small umber means number is not the same as all small letters of number. They are different. I'm gonna show you some examples and explain them. You can read it. These are some legal identifiers and these are some illegal identifiers. In legal identifiers, there is a digit in a name. Actually, digit can be used in the identifier name but not in the beginning. It can be used in the end of the variable name or in the within the variable name. Underscore can be used in the variable name anywhere in the identifier name, and camel case is also allowed in identifier name. In illegal identifiers, special characters cannot be used as variable name, means exclamation mark, plus, minus, and question mark, and all that. Space is not allowed in the identifier name. This is illegal. And as I've told you here, that digit can be used but not in the beginning of the identifier name. Descriptors or keywords or data types. These are some words. These are words that are in the standard library of Java, which are defined by the programmer. You cannot redefine within the program. They have some intended. They have their own purpose. Means cannot be used for anything other than their intended use. Integer int is an integer data type with a special range. Int, short, long, these three are integer data types. They have different range. They have different range. Float, double is also used for floating point numbers, means 1.2, 7.3 and all that. Char, string or character type data types, we can use alphabets in it. Final is used for sentinel variable or sentinel value. Void is a non-returning method. It returns nothing. I have told you in the previous video. Return is a command that is used at the end of the method that is non-void. So I have told you in this video about identifiers and its rules and some data types. I'll further discuss data types in later videos. So must subscribe my channel for next video. Thank you.